Hello, today we'll talk like earn free CryptoTab Browser. It's very easy. Let's take a look. Let's open their page. They have it nicely done and encourages people to download this browser. This application can also be used on mobile. So in the application you can see your BTC status and earn anywhere in the world. So let's download. We have already downloaded the application. This is how your home page will appear. We can see how many we have mining. I have a little bit there. As we see one person is active here, you can create your own referral link and invite people under you. If you can make a good network, you can have a passive income. The advantage is that the advertisement for the promotion of the pictures is ready, so you just need to promote. Now let's see how you can make money here. When you do MLM marketing, then this is for you. See how much PetCent you get from the network and lines. If you register 5 people and they find another 5 people, then see how much you can earn. So let's take a look at how to start mining. We have a new NFT news here. I haven't seen it yet. We'll look more at the future. Slowly, it takes a while to get it full. Furthermore, we have the opportunity to buy the power of mining. There are 4 options: Light, Basic, Pro and Ultra. As I mentioned, there is also the possibility of NFT. It's a combined mining, but we'll talk about that in the future. So let's see how you can choose here. I've already selected several times and everything went well. Just enter the BTC wallet address and send. The minimum amount is 0.00001 BTC. As you can see, my power mining is not big. I have it turned on the notebook, so it is small but free. In addition to work here, you can see how much you minig and how much mining your network and how much it's been together all the time mining and how much you have refrail. So we're at the end. Thank you for watching. And if you liked our video and you want to know more, start watching us. Thank you for every watch.